Hello, good
Hello,
evening.
good evening.
What are we making today?
Today I'm going to make one vada. This is summer season, no?
Appalam.
Appalam.
Super.
This we can, without sunlight also we can do this.
Uh-huh.
Already I told you, yella vadam,
Huh.
aloo vadam. That we have done plain vadam, tomato vadam. Today I'm going to show you onion.
Okay.
With onion and chili.
Okay.
And I'm going to show you the onion vadam. I've already made and kept.
Okay.
See, this is how I made yesterday for 2 days before. Nicely it has got dried up. See, can you see the sound?
Nice.
So it takes at least, need not have sunlight.
Okay.
If there's sunlight also okay, but you can make it in the evening, dry it in the fan itself, inside the house. And morning if you get sunlight, you can dry it there also. It will be good only.
Okay.
So I have done some 1 cup of, for 1 cup I got nearly 20 to 25 plants.
Okay. Okay.
Size is according to your wish. I'll make only small often.
Okay.
I've taken 1 cup raw rice, nicely grinded. How soft it is.
Mm-hmm.
It must not be very thick or very thin. I'll show you how to mix it after grinding the onion.
Okay, fine.
And for this one onion, if it is small means 2.
Okay.
For 100 grams you can take. This
Okay.
cup will be maximum 100 grams it will be.
Okay.
For this you can take 1 onion.
Okay.
And 3 to 4 red chilies. If you
Okay.
want more spicy, you can put 5 also. But a little acceptable, simple. Now
Okay.
I'm going to grind this red chili. Already I have added salt. So I
Okay.
need not add salt.
Okay.
So, and you have to grind this raw rice very finely. That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Nicely soak it. For morning you can soak it, night you can grind, but it must be tempered.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, but it must be fermented. Sorry.
Okay.
It must be fermented. Nicely. Then only the taste will be.
So how do you do it? In the night
As
you
usual
soak
for
it.
idli rice, those rice, no.
Huh.
You grind it in the soak it in the night, grind it in the morning, or you can do it in the evening also.
Okay.
Suppose you're going to do tomorrow, if it is fermented, you can keep it inside. And
Okay,
do it the
fine.
next day also.
Okay.
No
So
problem.
around 8 hours
It
fermentation.
was as usual. If it is fermented only, the taste will be nice.
Okay, fine.
Otherwise, no, want to add gems, you can add lemon like that.
Okay. Okay.
Now see, nicely I have grinded and kept. Now I'm going. Now little water must be there because this onion will give you watery. It must not be very. And main thing is we need is banana leaf.
Ah.
Banana leaf. There is one stand also, yellow vada stand. But I'll show you the method. I'm not having that stand and all. What is available in the house only I'm doing.
Okay,
You
fine.
can do in this way. All will have what all vessels I have.
Okay, let's go to that later.
Later. Now we will grind it.
Okay.
Now put just 1 spoon of asafoetida powder.
Mm-hmm.
Then green chili. First, now don't add
chili.
water first. Afterwards, if you want, you can add water. Nicely grind it. This one.
Okay.
Now still fine. Little vinegar. So we can add little water. Because if it is very watery, we can't write on the banana leaf.
Okay. Okay.
Nicely it has come.
Mm.
Now what you do, we have to add this little by little.
Okay.
First we'll add this. Already I have put salt.
Hmm.
So you need not add salt. Nicely mix it and I'll show you the consistency how it must be. It must not be very thick or very thin also. If it is very thick, it will sit on the banana leaf. If it is very thin, it will run away. First we will all use this. Now, see it has become a thick. Suppose if it becomes the thin also, don't worry, you can add 1 or 2 spoon rice flour.
Okay. Okay.
But make it thick also.
Okay.
Suppose if you it has become what to do, always all will have rice flour. This is adjustment.
Okay.
Correctly you can tap and add a rice flour, it will become thick.
Okay. Sure.
Now we will start doing.
Okay.
See, now we'll go to the preparation place.
Okay.
I told now with the available utensils we can do it.
Correct.
Now there is a stand for the leaf for Vadam stand is available. If you want, you can buy it. But here, see, I have taken like this big frying pan. Inside one.
There's water
Water.
underneath.
Then this.
Okay.
Like we are in all cookers or
Rice cookers,
like
you'll get
this.
this. Correct.
In this, let it boil nicely. First time it will take little time. The next, no, you have to get prepared because it will
Very quickly it will
cooking,
happen.
1 minute it will get cooked. First time alone, it will take late for the water to boil. See, just pour on whichever size you want. See,
Ah, beautiful.
whichever size you want, you can make. I'll make only small to show you. I'm doing just first time it will take just 2 minutes.
Oh, cover it.
Cover it. Just 2 minutes it will. By that time you just see all this. You get ready with this. Because no, for this the time will take. See now small you can do. I'll show you one phone. Even small. See, small lid. Can you see? And then you must get prepared ready. Badam, no? Frying badams. See, like this also. It's small also you can do. All sizes you can do. See, this also will be one small. Big, small, everything you can do. See, it started getting cooking. See,
Half is cooked and half
is cooked. You have to wait. This is what is available. If you want, you can buy also. But with this banana leaf, if you don't know, the taste will be different. Afterwards, what we have to do, but afterwards, what you have to do is you have to remove this after 1 minute. But before all the four, you finish it. If you remove it, you have to dry it like this in a cloth.
Okay.
In a pancham, like a white vesti or white towel, water white cloth.
Okay.
You just dry it in that and keep it under the fan.
Okay.
And the house itself. And next day, when you get the sunlight, keep it in the sunlight also. It's very good. See, already I have showed you. See, I have done 2 days before this.
Yes.
Nice.
We'll also fry them.
I'll fry and show them.
Okay.
The color will be like this when it gets dried up.
Okay.
And the taste, because of the red chili, it is red color. But the taste will be very nice.
Okay.
This is the way we get after drying it.
Okay, fine.
1 minute over, I'll open it. See. Now you see it is coming up. See. Can you see?
Oh, it will just come out of the. It will leave the leaf also.
Leave it.
So you should leave it for a while.
Just a minute.
Another one goes in.
Another one goes. Now it will come out. No problem. Small towel to show you. Maximum, don't keep in plastic covers.
Okay.
Even in vadam, whatever you do for summer season.
Oh, very nice.
When it dries up, now it will become very small. I have
So
done a
this,
big one.
when it dries, it becomes
like this. Mine is small size. That small size also I'll show. This is small. It will become like this. You can break also and make it. If you don't want to put much oil also, we can break it also and put it.
Okay.
Now next. So we'll see the next one. See, started cooking. Now see, immediately done.
Because the steam is
steam
very...
has already started. No, for that first time it takes 1 minute. Just not even more than that took 2 minutes. Now see, everything is ready in half a second also.
Okay.
See. Half a minute also ready. See. That took how much? 2 minutes, no? See, I just stopped for 1 minute. Half a minute. Also came now. So see, little if you do like this, it will come out. That's all. If it is cooked or not. This is the way to make this.
Okay.
For those, that's like us, those are in apartments, no, they don't get sunlight like that means. We can do like this. Right? But I don't know whether we can do with sabudana. I'll try that also.
Okay.
1 minute. Say, start the cooking.
Okay.
I've already showed you. Like this will be dried for 2 days.
Okay.
2 days. If I told you already how to dry everything. Now I've already prepared. See, after drying, how nice it is.
Yes.
Now I have boiled the oil.
Okay.
After getting boiled, put it in the sink.
Okay.
Now I'll put that. Not very high. And down. See how nice it is coming. Can you see? If you keep the oil very high, it will become dark.
Dark, correct.
Now the sound as bubbles have stopped, no? So it is fried. I'll show you another thing. For 1 cup, 100 grams cup, we nearly get 20 to 25 puppets like this, according to the size. See. How it is? Now how nice the onion papadas come.
Very nice.
Onion and the taste also be very
The taste
nice.
is very nice. I just tasted little.
Now we'll give to Meera.
Okay.
Meera will taste. Meera? Meera, nice? How is it?
Nice?
Nice? Make a stand. Is it nice? Nice. You like it? Nah. Take it. Then thank you. More slowly. No, I won't take it. Don't worry. You eat yourself.
Very nice.
She's going and she'll enjoy that balcony. Meera, give her.
Take appalam.
No, need not wash the hand. Come. You see what she's going to. She'll go and wash the hand.
So they look really.
And children also you can give them because I put a little only chilli, no? How much ever chilli you want. If you put more chilli, no, the color also will change. So for 100 grams, maximum 4 to 5 red chilies.
Okay, fine. Okay.
So, simple and easy. Onion vada is ready.
Ready.
Homemade.
I know it's good to have a homemade one. Great. Thank you for sharing this recipe with us.
We'll see in another one recipe next time. I hope all like this. Like simple and easy vada.
Okay.
Meera, do you want another one?
No.
Yeah, no one telling and she's taking. For everything, no. You want chocolate? Chocolate? Okay. That alone you want. What is this? Stick. How will Meera walk? How will Meera walk? See? Because it is not much karam, no? Children also eat it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for sharing this recipe. We'll see you in the next
I'm
video.
very happy that Meera is eating today.
Yes. After a long time, we captured
Meera
her.
than me.
Okay. Bye.
Next video.